Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Blender, the best free 3D modeling and animation software in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll also share how to choose the right version for your PC. Step 1. Go to official website. First, open your browser and type blender.org. This is the official website of Blender Foundation. Important. Always download Blender from the official site only. Never use third-party websites because they might include viruses or unsafe files. Step 2. Select the download option. On the home page, you'll see a big Download Blender button. Click on it, and Blender will automatically detect your operating system: Windows, macOS, or Linux. Step 3. Start the download. Click the download button and your file will start downloading. Wait for the download to finish. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Bonus tip: Blender also has a previous versions section. If your PC is old or has low specs, you can download an older version that runs more smoothly. This is super helpful for students or people with low-end systems. And that's it, friends. That's how you can download Blender for free in 2025. Safe, secure, and directly from the official website. In my next video, I'll show you how to install and set up Blender properly, so stay tuned. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to channel for more free software guides and PC tricks. See you in the next video.